Hello everyone, today we will compare Printify and Redbubble, two popular print-on-demand platforms. So Printify is a robust platform that connects you with a network of print providers, while Redbubble is a marketplace for independent artists to sell their designs on various products. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Printify and Redbubble, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when it comes to business model, Printify has print-on-demand marketplace connecting merchants. Same thing with Redbubble, but it is independent artists. So when it comes to product range, Printify is apparel, accessories, home goods, and more. Same thing with Redbubble. And when it comes to print quality, Printify offers high-quality printing on demand. Same thing with Redbubble again. And when it comes to another features, which is design upload, so Printify upload designs to create products. Same thing with Redbubble. And when it comes to customization options, Printify has limited customization options per product, while Redbubble has extensive customization tools for each product. And when it comes to profit margin control, both platforms has you can set own prices on profit margins. And when it comes to analytics and insights, Printify has sale analytics and dashboard provided. Same thing with Redbubble again. And when it comes to integration with e-commerce, so Printify integrates with various e-commerce platforms while Redbubble has no direct e-commerce integration provided. When it comes to global reach, so both platforms ships internationally. And when it comes to branding options, so Printify has custom branding available for premium plans while Redbubble has limited branding options available. And yes, that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison. And as you can see on the pricing comparison, when it comes to product-based costs, Printify has varies depending on the product and printing partner. And in Redbubble, it also varies, but it depends on product type and size. And when it comes to printing costs, so Printify has additional costs added to base product cost, and Redbubble is included in the base product cost. So same thing. And when it comes to artists or set markup, so Printify you can set your own prices and profit margins, and Redbubble artist set markup on base product prices. When it comes to transparent pricing, so Printify has transparent breakdown of base cost and printing costs. So same thing with Redbubble, but on each product. And yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer and support. So when it comes to support channels, so Printify has email, chat, and knowledge base, while Redbubble, same thing, they have email support and comprehensive help center. When it comes to response time, so Printify typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. Same thing with Redbubble, but it varies. And when it comes to community engagement, Printify has active merchant community and resources. Same thing with Redbubble, but with forums. And lastly, for help center resources, Printify has extensive knowledge base and tutorials available, while Redbubble has comprehensive help centers with facts and guides. And when it comes to personal assistance, so Printify has personalized support available through email and chat. And same thing with Redbubble. And lastly, for social media presence, so both platforms is active on social media platforms. So yes, same thing again. And of course, that's it for the customer support, pricing, and key features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing the Printify pros and cons. So Printify offers vast selection of products including apparels and accessories, home goods, and more. It allows for limited customization options per product, giving merchants some flexibility in designs. The merchants have full control over setting their own prices and profit margins. Printify ships internationally, enabling sellers to reach customers worldwide. And lastly, it integrates with various e-commerce platforms, facilitating seamless online selling. So that's it for the pros. So when it comes to cons, Printify's customization options are somewhat limited compared to other platforms, restricting design creativity. And the fulfillment process involves choosing from a network of printing partners, which can vary in quality and reliability. And lastly, Printify offer emails and chat support, and some users have reported longer response time for customers' queries. And now let's go to the Redbubble pros. Redbubble fosters an active artist community and provides forums for collaboration and support. They offers a wide range of products including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. And they provides transparent pricing breakdown for each product, aiding sellers in setting competitive prices. And they handle printing and order fulfillment, streamlining the process for merchants. And lastly, they ship internationally, allowing sellers to cater to a global customer base. And that's it for the pros. So when it comes to cons, Redbubble sellers have limited control over pricing as they set base product prices, which artists able to add their own markup. And when it comes to limited branding option, they have limited sellers' ability to establish a unique brand identity. And last, while Redbubble manage returns and refunds, the handling of such process may vary and could impact seller experience. And of course, that's it for the Redbubble pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Printify. So Printify is referable for someone who wants full control over setting prices and profit margins to optimize their pricing strategy. Someone who are already using an e-commerce platform and wants seamless integration because Printify is capable for that thing. And someone who values global reach for people looking to reach customers worldwide. So yeah, that's pretty good. And lastly, someone who have experience or relationships with specific printing partners. So if you have all of these qualities, so Printify is the best for you. So for the people, we should choose Redbubble. Redbubble is preferable for someone who prefers simplified order fulfillment, someone who prefer a hands-off approach, someone who seek community engagement, those who value community engagement, someone who wants transparent pricing for them to understand the cost and set competitive prices, someone who focus on artistic expression because Redbubble's platforms is tailored for artists offering extensive creative freedom and a wide range of products for artistic expression. And lastly, someone who prioritizes global shipping, who wants to cater to a global customer base. So if you have all of this quality, Redbubble is the best for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both Printify and Redbubble offers unique advantages and cater to different needs in different on-demand marketplace. If you're looking for full control over pricing and profit margins along with seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, Printify might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you prefer simplified order fulfillment, transparent pricing, and active community engagement, Redbubble could be the platform for you, especially if you prioritize artistic expression. And ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific goals, preferences, and priorities as a seller. So, with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this helped you to choose the correct options. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.